Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nat.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang introduction video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. Una na dyan ay si Krishna Marie Gravides ng Baguio City. And without any further ado, let's watch this.
Dear world, I am Krishna Marie Gravides, 23 from Baguio City, and this is my exceptional life story as an empowered Filipina. I am taking up civil engineering and currently working as a model, content creator, and ad specialist for a real estate firm.
Wow.
Growing up, my family situation was far from ideal. Being the eldest and out of necessity, I had to step up. At 14, I discovered my entrepreneurial spirit, selling everything from lip tints to flavored drinks.
Wow.
By 18, I faced the harsh realities of balancing work and study as a fast food server and an ukay-ukay seller while excelling in school. These days, I focus on self-improvement. I continuously hone my content creation and acting skills, explore my musical passions, and lead an initiative called Color the World with Kindness, which supports youth welfare. Additionally, I am a proud mother of 8 wonderful fur babies.
Dami ah!
We love a fur mom. Char. Kasi fur mom din tayo.
It did not limit my dreams. It opened the window to a world full of possibilities and kindness.
Ang ganda niya.
Galing.
Ang ganda niya at ang dami niyang ginagawa, ang dami niyang advocacy na pwedeng gamitin. Like, you know, di ba? Pero, yeah, the best yung empowering the youth.
Oh.
Kasi, focusing on that, I think that's very important na advocacy for, you know, para sa youth ng mga Filipinos to be able to, nurture their entrepreneurial skills. Sa murang edad, alam na nila kung ano yung pwede na pagkakitaan or kumbaga kaya na din talaga nilang masustain yung mga needs nila, hindi na kailangan iasa sa mga magulang yung 100% ng pangangailangan. At least sa murang edad nakakatayo na sila sa kanilang mga sariling pa.
Correct ka dyan. Pak! Gusto ko yung video niya kasi it shows kung saan talaga siya nanggagaling. Tsaka gusto ko yung queen na hindi siya detached doon sa charity niya. Yung parang may first-hand experience talaga siya sa kung anong nangyari. So, for me, that's kumbaga, pinaka-valuable na lesson na may impart niya yung kung ano yung mga napagdaanan niya. Kasi alam niya kung ano nangyari.
Kumbaga, hindi na maging mahirap na i-empower yung mga youth kasi at an early age din ay napagdaanan niya yung ganun klaseng buhay or struggle, ganyan. And yeah, sana marami siyang matulungan at nang sa gayon ay magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan ng ating mga youth. Youth doon, youth dyan, youth dito. So yun guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo naman kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next upload.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!